Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see data types in Redis and Laravel. So there are 5 types of data types. So you can see 5 data types: strings, list, sets, hashes, and z set, that is sorted set. So today we are going to see strings only. So let's get started. So firstly, let's understand a little bit about strings. So strings can handle strings basically, then integers and floating point value. And on strings, whichever operation you will apply, it will be applied to the complete string. And if you are doing increment and decrement, you can do on integer and float values. So now let's see which all operation you can do on strings. So now this is the documentation that you can go through. So here all others are coming. So now let's go and filter by group. So we will be just searching for strings. So here you can see all list is present. So I'm just searching for string as of now. So here you can see you can append, decrement by is there, get is there. So let's start by simple get. So let's open get, and here you can see get, and after that you need to pass key to get the value of that particular key. So now let's start by example. So in my index function, I'm just passing, let's say first I'm setting one key. So write Redis, let's say set, and here I'll be, let's say, passing key as string example, and let me just give value 1. So now how you can get that key? So write Redis get and then pass string example, that is your key. So now let's check in browser, refresh. So here you can see now 1 is displayed. So cache has been set and we are able to retrieve that key value. So now let's increment this. So write Redis colon incr. Let's pass now keys, set example. So now let's check in browser. So let me just show you once decrement as well. So here also you can pass similar way decrement. With key you can pass and it will decrement by 1. So here you can see now 2. You can also pass offset basically by how much you want to increment and decrement. So let me add one more time and you can see now again it's incremented. So now next let's see get range. So set range is basically to get the subset of string. So here pass get range, and let's pass now string value. This is Redis tutorial, let's say, and here let's pass the range. So range will be, let's say, 0 to 4. So now you can see this is coming as, because we have passed 0 to 4. So now let's pass, let's say, 10 to 12, and now let's go and see. So here you can see only this is coming because that's only 3 character we have passed. You can also get the complete string. So write 0 to -1. So now refresh. So now you can see you're getting complete string. So if minus you are applying, it will be from last. So let's write 10 minus 1. So here you can see it's returning from last now. So some of the basics I have shown you, but there are so many other commands as well. Let's say if you have to append to string, you need to delete any string, and you can also get with expiry as well. You can set string with expiry. So increment I have shown you. So increment by float also you can use. So you can explore more on the commands because there are so many commands, all I will not be able to show. So you can go. So here you can see with set expiry and set nx means if no key is there then create it. Set range commands you can go through and explore by your own. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.